Hey, what's up? This week we're going to do a vinyl chip epoxy garage floor, and I'm going to record the whole project with this one tiny camera. Okay, so I think that turned out pretty good. I mean, I edited all of those videos in my truck on the job site in about 10 minutes right after the project finished. Okay, so the things I like about this camera. Number one, it is obviously really small. That lets you put this camera in a lot of places you can't put an ordinary camera. So, for example, I stuck it to the blade on the drill, and I ran the drill in the bucket and it spun around. There's that one clip of that. I sat the camera in the box of chips as I threw chips back into the box. So that was a pretty cool shot. I love how small the camera is. It lets you get a lot of different angles that you normally can't get. The app that comes with the Insta360 Go, it did all the editing for me. So in that clip that I played earlier, I spent about 10 minutes each day, and all I did was pick like the 15 or 16 best clips that I could find, and the app put all that together. It made all the transitions, it picked all the good spots. The 10 minutes that I did spend on it was really just spent on adjusting the section that it took from each clip for the video. So it did all the editing, it put all the edits on beat and everything. It was great. The third thing I like about it is that this camera is a 360 camera, so it actually captures everything that you can see on one side. So you can actually reframe what you're seeing after you've recorded it. What happens is, if you want to post to Instagram, you can actually just press a button that changes the orientation from this way to this way, and it just does it instantly after you've recorded. And actually you can even do it after you've edited your whole project. And you can save one version for YouTube and another version for Instagram. And I like that it's going to make posting to social media a lot easier for me. So I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick one of these up. They're around $200. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.